Today we're going to talk to you about how to make sure that your chest freezer is running super efficiently all year long. There's some simple steps that you have to take. You need to defrost this freezer at least once a year. And one of the key elements here, and I just have some frost that we got out a little earlier, is to make sure that you don't have a buildup of frost that is more than 1/4 of an inch. What ends up happening is that once it gets started, it just continues to grow and you will lose space inside of your freezer, and that's not what you want. The other thing is you want to check the gasket all the way around. Clean it and make sure that there isn't anything standing in the way of it so that it will close properly. You're also going to want to make sure that it's level. If it's not level, that means the door won't seal properly. So this is an important thing. The other thing is that you're going to want to clean from underneath the freezer as well. Make sure that you take these steps every single year to make sure that your standalone chest freezer is operating efficiently all year long.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.